This shop is European in Toronto. This shop is divided in two sections. One section, small, is just for Ferrari, and the other one is for multi-brand. This first one is for Ferrari. We have aluminum boat here with a Ferrari inside. Small FixLine with a preparation bay for primer application. Sanding, masking, and the paint boat. We have detailing store. This other department is a multi-brand. This section is for reassembling. This is the FixLine computer. This section is for Bodytech, metalwork. This is the FixLine Combitron. Primer application, sanding, masking, painting, drying, unmasking and polishing. The robot had just finished to dry waterboard. This is Combitron drying cabin, and this is unmasking and polishing.